Good morning, Dr. Evans. It's Mihira, the nursing manager. I'm calling about the recent rise in medication errors on Ward 2.
Goodness, Mihira. I was just reviewing the incident reports. It's certainly alarming. Is it primarily related to new admissions, or are specific drug classes involved?
It's a mix, honestly. We've seen a couple of instances with incorrect dosages of warfarin and one near miss with an insulin error on a patient newly transferred from ICU. However, the most consistent trend we're observing isn't about particular medications or even patient acuity levels. The common denominator appears to be during shift changes, particularly the handovers from afternoon to night. There seems to be a significant dip in adherence to the two-nurse check protocol. Nurses are feeling rushed during these crucial times, and documentation often lags.
So it's not a knowledge deficit then, but more a procedural lapse under pressure?
Exactly. They understand the protocol perfectly, but the sheer volume of tasks converging at handover, coupled with the need to quickly attend to evening rounds, means corners are being cut inadvertently. It's creating a systemic vulnerability. The new junior staff are also feeling hesitant to challenge senior nurses during these high-stress moments.
That's concerning, Mihira. We need to address that systemic pressure point.
My thoughts precisely, Dr. Evans. We need to look at how we manage that handover period more effectively.
Mihira, I want to talk to you about a condition called pressure sores, also known as pressure ulcers or bed sores. It might help to understand that our skin and the tissues underneath need a constant, healthy blood supply to stay nourished and strong. A pressure sore happens when an area of skin, and sometimes the deeper layers of tissue, is damaged because the essential blood flow is reduced or cut off. This is most often the result of constant, unrelieved pressure on one spot, like when sitting or lying in one position for too long, or from the friction of skin rubbing repeatedly against a surface. The pressure essentially squeezes the tiny blood vessels shut, depriving the area of oxygen and nutrients. Over time, this can cause the skin to break down, starting as a persistent red patch and potentially leading to a deeper wound. It's a process that happens from the inside out, which is why careful protection and regular position changes are so important for prevention.